Pilipinas sa may pinakamaraming kaso ng online na pang-aabuso sa mga bata sa buong mundo ayon sa isang grupo.
One of the common cause of cyberbullying is when someone posts another person's picture online without their permission. Akala ng iba, simpleng post lang, pero sa totoo lang, it can cause deep emotional pain and humiliation. Kapag nag-share tayo ng pictures ng iba nang walang consent, we are invading their privacy and disrespecting their boundaries. This kind of action can lead to embarrassment, stress, and loss of trust. Minsan, nagsisimula lang sa biro or pang-aasar, pero hindi natin alam, nasasaktan na pala yung tao. Once something is posted online, mahirap na itong burahin. It can spread fast and can stay on the internet forever. Be a buddy, not a bully. In this digital age, our words and actions online can either build someone up or break them down. Kaya piliin nating maging mabuti, spread kindness. Ang simpleng comment, share, or post natin ay may malaking epekto sa iba. So let us use social media to inspire and uplift them, not to hurt or shame. Cyberbullying may seem like just a joke to some, pero sa iba, it causes pain, fear, and insecurity. Remember, we never know what someone is going through behind the screen, kaya bago ka mag-post, mag-comment, o mag-share, think first, will it help or will it harm? Let's stand together against cyberbullying and create a community built on respect, empathy, and understanding. Choose to be a